Hi, let's make any iPhone louder. For that, go ahead and open Settings on the phone. And now find Accessibility in the list. So first advice is go in Touch setting. Here, select Call Audio Routing and make sure to select Automatic option. It guarantees that sound will not be transferred to Bluetooth or other devices. Now, in the same accessibility setting, we need to find hearing devices. So let's just find it in the list. And here, make sure to disable hearing aid compatibility if you don't have hearing aids. And now save changes by going back. So now in the main settings, find Sounds and Haptics tab. And after that, select Headphone Safety. And make sure to disable Reduce Loud Sounds, or if you want to keep this one enabled, then set limit up to 90 decibels, just like that, as loud as a motorcycle. Then of course go back, and next thing we are gonna do is we need to swipe down from top right corner to trigger Control Center, and here simply find this speaker icon. Make sure to drag the slider up till the end like that to increase volume to the maximum level. And of course, we need to make sure that silent mode is disabled. For that, take a look at the left side of your phone, because here we need to toggle this green and silent switch on the left side. So make sure that you cannot see this orange line here. Let me show you it closer. So make sure you don't see this orange line, and it is in this position, like that, to disable silent mode, of course. And also you can increase your ringtone volume by dragging this slider to the right side till the end, like that. Or you can use your volume keys to control ringtones volume if you select here to change with buttons. Also, I'm gonna suggest you to remove the case and protective glass from your iPhone. And of course, check the speakers and microphones for dirt or debris. You can use a toothpick or similar tool to gently remove dirt from the speakers and microphones. So in my case, it is this sharp tool from cleaning kit, which looks like that. And the last advice is to restart your phone. So hold side key and volume up buttons together till you can see this part of menu on the screen. Then slide here to turn off your phone. And after that, press just side button itself to turn it back on. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.